This, you know this pancake. Bây giờ tỉnh rồi. It's good till we come back, they go back home. So I had to buy now.
What's this?
It's food, but I don't know name the English.
Mango stand.
No, mango. Essen. Train.
How much?
Train.
10. How much is this?
Cậu thấy không? Cái cậu thấy kìa. Nó còn cậu thấy nè. Say this for all of the 10,000.
Oh. Okay, I buy all.
Có lý đấy.
Oh.
Cậu thấy á? Yeah. 10,000.
10,000?
Yeah.
Okay, 10,000.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, I try one.
Yeah, try. Chị có không rồi à? Nhỏ su à? Xe xe.
Mango mo.
Xe là chị xe? Phải tao cả xịt.
Do you have a knife?
Còn chỉ một trà. Nó hai này. Nào này. Chỉ một này. No. Maybe we start homestay.
Okay.
Yeah, we go to homestay. You can need a night eating.
哦，这个菜吧，来一份这个吧，这好吃啊，来一份。
Ah, it's good. Eating mango. Mango steak.
No, no mango, ma.
Mango stand different.
Different.
Ah, different.
OK，
Good.
我看这两个一样嘛。来这个吧，对不对？蜗牛的多少钱？
You like it?
啊，1万。
You want to try? You can take one.
Maybe homestay.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe homestay.
1万。
Oh.
You want the one?
Mhm.
You want to try one?
Yeah.
Okay. He wants to try. Can you hold camera? Can you hold the camera?
Maybe I have to try. I have to open this one because this red so. Có chúng bạn nào rồi? Hai chúng nói với để tìm ra. No need a knife.
No need a knife.
Is it delicious?
Okay, I take one more.
Yeah.
Film. No need a knife.
No need a knife.
No need a knife. Mango stand.
No mango.
No
mango
mango.
stand.
Mango stand.
Mango stand.
Mango stand.
Yeah, different food.
Different.
Different.
Yeah.
Mango stand.
No mango stand.
Mango stand, different food.
Yes. This is
Mango.
mango.
No a mango. We grow here.
Mm.
That's a tree.
Stand. How do you call this?
Quả hồng. Quả hồng.
Very delicious and sweet.
This one not sweet too much.
It's very sweet.
Later try.
You want to try for free?
Okay.
In homestay, you want to try? No money.
Okay.
Free.
I give to you for free.
Okay. Thank you.
Because you are my friend.
Thank you, my friend.
It's very sweet. You like it?
Little baby. Yeah. Go. Take.
So better work in Hanoi.
Mother?
Hanoi more money
Oh,
for work.
for what?
Yeah. You
Mother
don't,
in Hanoi?
better for working.
Here?
No, in Hanoi.
Oh, yeah. Now,
So this rice field
rice field.
now it's finished.
Now it's finished now.
And when do you put new rice?
After you have to pour rice inside. You have to pour rice like 1 or 2 steps. If one man, so very high lady, we can take another again. We can share everyone.
But when do you put new rice?
We put new rice coming. How to can, so we have to take it again. How to shave it.
Ah. Very beautiful.
Yeah?
Yes, I like very much.
Like it here, you can stay here.
Yeah, maybe I can stay here.
How about this time?
Maybe I stay here. Ah, she makes clothes.
She make them, they make 2 little clothes, but we made 2 different fabrics. One is white, one is darker.
What's the name of this village?
Tavan village. Tavan.
How many people live here?
They have 2,050 people living from here.
2,050 people?
Yeah.
So many?
Yeah, because OB village.
Oh.
Everybody see this one on the right corner. This one on the right. You come by like July, August, so you can see right like this.
Oh. So rice is cheap, right? To buy rice.
Not very cheap.
Not
because
very
you
cheap?
because you have job, so they're cheaper, but you don't have job. Not very cheap.
Ah. How much is 1 kilo rice?
Only 10,000.
Only 10,000.
But on my I'll be the pill together on the 10,000. But after they I'll be on the pill, they're almost like 20,000 for each kilo one.
That's cheap. For 1 kilo?
Yeah. Yeah, but like sticky rice, the more lazy sticky rice.
Ah, sticky rice more expensive?
Yeah.
How much sticky rice?
40,000 for each kilogram. Because someone they have small land and they don't plant so much sticky rice. And they will sticky rice the more basic.
This way?
Yesterday you hanging up here or not?
No, yesterday another place.
What are you doing?
Hi everyone, welcome to Ha Long Bay, one of 10 bays most beautiful bay in the world. Welcome everyone.
So we are going kayaking with plankton, and we hope we will see a lot of plankton today because it's good weather. What do you think?
I think we see much plankton tonight because the weather is good,
Yeah.
perfect for a trip to sea.
Okay.
Let's see everyone.
Okay, we will see you later with kayaking.
Kayaking.
Yes, not canoe but kayaking, and enjoy the nice view of Ha Long Bay. Now it's a little bit sunset. Right? Sunset.
A little bit sunset.
Yes.
We are waiting for the dark. When it's darker,
Yes.
it's more easier to see plankton.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Bing. I'm local here.
Okay. Do you like it?
I love to stay here.
So we see you later. This is beautiful Ha Long Bay. Can I make a movie in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
It's-
can explain in the kitchen.
Yeah, it's possible.
Okay, it's possible.
It's possible.
Yeah.
Go with me to see the kitchen. Bạn hãy xin quay làm cái gọi là bộ phim anh ạ.
Yeah.
Người ta muốn quay để làm.
Yeah, this is the local kitchen of the boat. This is the chef cook. Chef cooking squid. And where is the big fish?
Here.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, looks very delicious.
And we have some other dishes here.
Yes.
Fried spring roll,
Yes.
peanut, egg omelette, heart shape.
Yeah. Oh, looks very delicious. What's your favorite food?
I love peanut.
Yeah. Oh, it is peanut.
Yeah, this is peanut.
Oh. Very nice kitchen with Ha Long Bay. This Ha Long Bay. Oh, very nice kitchen. Nice view.
Nice view, yeah. A little bit sunset.
A little bit sunset.
Nếu mà một người nhà nhân vẫn buộc được dây đúng không? Tự hết thì tốt.
Okay, see you later. Bye bye. Hello, Ha Long Bay. We will see the cooking of the chef inside the chef.
It's Samji from One Piece. You know One Piece? Then. va pas trop le déranger, mais voilà, elle est en train de faire à manger. Il y a les champignons, il y a tous les petits oignons rouges, il y a la cuisine, il y a les petits pots juste là, voilà. Et là, on se retrouve.
What is your name? So this is the chef cook of the ship. He's gonna cook.
The fish like this.
Yes.
And put only half.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Don't put whole thing.
No.
You put whole thing now, you have no finger.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep far away from that. Yeah. Yeah. Come on.
More in the water.
Oh my god.
And they swim in the ocean?
But yeah, the fish is
Why? Come. This one like shark, see?
Like shark.
Ma, don't do it, bread.
No.
Move yourself. Move yourself now. You can drop it. Yeah, but the chitik.
Don't do it. Just throw it to the water.
Et nous on a géométrie.
Oh my god.
You see, at the fishing village, they